In this tutorial, I'm going to let you know the ways to redeem CIBC credit card reward points. So in order to redeem CIBC credit card rewards point, you just have to follow these simple steps. So first of all, what you can do is if you want to redeem it, you can use it in the different fields such as shopping with points or payment with points or financial product with points. So here you could know that in order to redeem your points, you could just sign in into your online banking account and then go to your credit card account detail page, select an eligible pending transaction. Then you could go ahead and redeem it with points. Likewise, for the payment with points, you could go ahead and sign in into your online bank account. Then select the payment with points and link on your card account details. Then you could go ahead and fill in your information and choose how you want to redeem your points. Apart from it, you could also use it as a financial product with points. So for that, you need to go with the residential mortgage, then CIBC tax advantage savings account, now CIBC daily interest savings account, and you could also use it as a self investor's edge. In order to redeem it, you could go ahead and log in and select the payment points and link your card account details, fill in the information and choose how you want to redeem your points. So that's how you can redeem your CIBC credit card reward points. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.